Hi, I'm Tim Sonner with Cooks. I want to talk to you about the Cooks brand Globe Whip and show you how it's different from any other kettle tool you've ever seen. First, some background. I've been with Cooks since 2006 and have held a variety of positions, always working directly with our customers, where I learned firsthand about product durability and safety challenges unique to corrections. Most of the Cooks videos are done by Jeff Breeden, the president of Cooks. But I'm here because I'm the inventor of the Globe Whip. This is a traditional kettle whip, and this is a Globe Whip. The biggest reason the Globe Whip exists is that these whip wires on a standard whip can break, and at that point, your kettle whip is unsafe. Kettle tools are expensive. I really believed that there could be a better whip, and that's what I set out to design. First, I looked at the construction of the traditional whip and saw that the wires are tack welded onto the handle here and here. And this is 3/16 inch wire. Customers told me that inmates use the kettle whip to break up frozen food inside a kettle, putting a lot of strain on the wires. Knowing that the wires are the weak point in a whip, I imagined the Globe Whip with a heavier weight wire that would be more secure. After a few design rounds, we came up with these 1/4 inch thick interior wires that penetrate the handle and are welded to these outside 1/2 inch thick curved tubes. These are much more secure. These curved outside wires have a point of contact at the top, the bottom, and 5 more points with the interior wires. These are the toughest kettle whips you will ever find. Along with durability, I wanted these to be more efficient for the user. Whips are often used in heavy foods like mashed potatoes, so the oar handle design gives you a lot more leverage and control. And this eyelet, which is not in the way of the handhold, lets you easily tether the Globe Whip for security. Additionally, there are markings etched on the tool at 1 inch increments to help with measuring ingredients. The original Globe Whip is 60 inches long. We have since added a 48 inch long model that's lighter weight and a little easier to handle, and a 36 inch long model specifically for federal facilities that mandated 36 inch maximum length. For more information about the Globe Whip, or to order your own, give us a call at 800-956-5571, or you can visit cookscorrectional.com.